Hello, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to show you a little bit demo on how to deploy an Angular application into AWS web server. Uh, to do that, we have an Angular application which is already done, and I have already done the Angular application. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ng build, which is going to be building our Angular application to be ready to be deployed. So after that, we can just go to AWS S3 packet and deploy our Angular client-side application. Let's get away and start it. Okay, ng build slash code command will build our Angular application into static files that's going to be served from any browser. So this is going to work on compiling and making all static files ready. So let's go ahead and talk about a little bit about the Angular structure while it's building the application. Here, this is going to be happen. This file build static files will be commonly deployed on this folder. After that, we can just copy paste and take to the S3 Amazon cloud service. So Angular basically have a structure which is source folder, which contains the main source of our application. The source folder it contains the app as important modules. The app can contain an app routing, app module, and app component, which are very essential for that. And as a components, as we have our structure of project. So let's talk about app module. App module is the main module where we depend to bootstrap our application through component, which is app component, is provided on the initial load of our application, which is going to be served on Bootstrap. And we have some modules which are going to be imported to app and run our application. Browser module is required for browsing purpose and routing for routing purpose, browser modules, an HTTP client module for any HTTP services, and we have additional modules that we can import from other modules. So this is a very important part. And then a provider is where we provide at a root level injectors or any kind of service which is going to be consumed by other components. So this interceptor is provided in a root component for everybody to access it. Interceptors, they intercept any in and out requests to our application, and they do some kind of piping, patching, some headers or any kind of manipulations we can do on that. So if we come to the declaration property declares the components which are required for our application to be at the first time to be served. So we can declare this. They will be served with initial load. So we have app routing, so we can just like take a look how routing works in our application. Forward route, which comes from a router module, which is part of Angular router, Angular route declarator. So forward is the root routing which is going to happen when an application which is provided a root as a parameter. So a root of a root can be provided to a forward component, a forward service, routing service. So we can just make runs among the components in our application. Here is the point that I will talk about the lazy load module. I just do three modules to be lazy to minimize the initial load bundle size of our application, so the performance is going to be more faster and very performant. So this pass has a pass property, and the component is going to be loaded. So this can act as a load trigger as a component, which is going to load the entire module after the initial load of application. Here you go, and let's see if our build is already done. Our build is already done, so what we expect is a bunch of files which is going to be created in our gist file. These are the files we are expecting to be built. So these files are having one index HTML and other ES6 and previous versions compatibility files that we need to be served to our application. So let's go back from this folder and go to ES3 services. Amazon AWS Web Services have a lot of service providing. We can deploy the entire application in Elastic Blast or use backends, or we can just like put some storage in S3, some static files. So Angular is composed of some static files, so we don't need any kind of server or environment that's going to run. So we can just put it down into S3 storage. So let's go to S3 storage and create a new bucket. Create a new bucket, and I will mention a new bucket in Angular CS 583. So I can choose whether I'm closer to the service provider centers. I can ask Central United States or Ohio, which is very closer. So I can just it says the origin has been taken as 16.10 uppercase. Okay, we can use uppercase here. We can use demo Angular since 583 and we create a package. So demo Angular says 583 is right here, and we need to have a permission to be accessed by public. So our permission is now private, so we just edit that and we create below. We untick both all public access feature and we confirm this. And then we go to the packet policy. In the packet policy, we can configure the bucket policy documentation to be accessed by anyone. So we have a bunch of policy examples, so we can simply from that. Let's go here and change which when only permission to Angular users. That's what we need, and we copy it up and go back here and test this. So we change our example here and use our bucket name. That's one. Space 183. To be sure, we can copy paste here. Save that. So the public bucket has public access, which is going to be accessible by anyone, and our policy is updated, and the permission to any public is already given. So let's go to the properties, let's go to our reviews, and try to upload our static files from our project. So my final project is here. I have uploaded this one is the file that I have already built. I have a bunch of files that are very required for platform dependency, which are compatibility, and then so have to take all of them without missing anyone, and which is drop it to our packet. We save now. The files are uploaded. Uploading. Looks like we are fine here. Good. We have uploaded everything here. So if you can go in the property and try to tell AS3 to static website hosting our files as to use a bucket to host the website. So our website will be hosted with a single page application, so we'll use index with HTML and index with HTML for the URL also. Both of them should have to have the index HTML because that will only have the first URL and for documents. So let's save this. Let's format here. It shows me my website is ready. Deploy here. So we can just go to our virtual deployed remote cloud Angular application. It's up and running. Let's check if it's working. Well, it's working properly as expected, and we have successfully deployed our Angular application into AWS Cloud platform. This is very straight and easy building mechanism. One more time, what I need to say is all these built files are the static files is going to be served from our bucket in S3 bucket created storage. So we host our website remotely from that. Anybody can access that since we have changed the public policy. Thank you for watching my video. This is all about what I want to say for today, and I'll see you next video with better idea of deploying another applications. And thank you for watching my video. My name is Victor. Bye bye.